How to recover or see deleted messages on your WhatsApp account within some seconds. So please follow the steps I'm showing in this video. To simply recover our deleted messages, there is no direct feature, but I will show you on the official website where you can restore chats from your phone's WhatsApp database. Now, to do this on your Android mobile phone, what you have to do is simply open the Google Drive of your device. To restore chat history, first run the Google account backup. To the Google Drive, you have to click on the backup option and then tap three dots, then click on turn off the backup. Once Google account backups are turned off, WhatsApp will instead search for database and then you can restore the prompted messages on your device. So this is how you can simply recover deleted WhatsApp messages. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and keep watching this